Hey guys, if you want to make a screenshot for a full page at once on your iPhone, let me walk you through the steps. So go ahead to your browser, right? Let me go to a website, let's say short form books, right? Go to any website that has articles or whatever, right? And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and take a screenshot. Okay, now after I took the screenshot, click on the photo that I just chose, and then click right here. You're gonna see it like you're gonna see screen in full page at the top. Under that pencil, the deleting, click right here full page, and you're gonna be able to see inside the article or page, right? You can minimize it and you can make it smaller, you can make it bigger, however you want it. You can just resize it however you want, and then basically you can share it if you want to share the full page to your people, and people will they will be able to access the full page. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.